I've searched the internet for the best TV box in the market, and on AliExpress I found this Xiaomi original TV experience. Wow! It doesn't look new at all, it has some kind of scratches on it. Manual, HDMI, power and remote, power brick. Oh, remote look exactly like in the previous model. Very thin, and we do have power, HDMI, USB and audio, and that's all it is, very thin. And here we are with a Samsung monitor, and the device is successfully connected. We do have art gallery, display and sound, resolution 4K 60, HDR, which is super cool. Auto change language, oh, okay, that's a cool feature. 4K 60, HDR or 420 10-bit, advanced allow the game, position and advanced select format. For the audio, you can do pass-through if you wanted to, that's also super cool. About the device, it's powered by Android 11, but that's okay, you don't need to. Going to the Xiaomi TV, because it has such a feature, and it's quite annoying when this button is at the very edge, because instead of back, I'm pressing that Xiaomi TV all the time. And that's basically a free TV, some cartoons in HD, it looks really nice. Couple of channels, well, more than couple, but I don't recognize any of them. Anyway, let's just exit that. And there you go, check this out. Check how smooth that is. And the animation is also great. The amount of apps, what do we have? Netflix, Xiaomi TV, of course, YouTube Prime, Video Canal Plus, all of them. Everything you need. I'm in Poland, so I do have TVP, Gallery, Mirrorcast, Apple TV, Spotify, and more. If you want, you can download all kinds of apps. Everything you need, basically. Well, if we go to the library, again, I pressed that button. We also have GeForce Now, so if you want to play awesome games, then all you need to do is connect a pad to it. For example, Xbox pad wirelessly, and there you go. Okay, let's play a game on it. We do have some game. I'm not sure what that game is, but it is what it is. I want to play it. Okay. All right. Okay, I don't care. Come on. How do I play it? Oh, with the keyboard. Haha! Super cool. All right, this is too boring. Of course, you can connect mouse and keyboard to it, which is super convenient. Let's choose one of the videos, maybe this one. Let's see how quick this. Ooh, that is quick. 4K 60.
Sure, here are some videos.
Check this out. Wow, such a quality experience. There are apps which you can basically watch a TV in HD channels. Wow. There's even an MTV. Wow, so many of them. Some of them are locked because you have to pay for it, yeah? We can download the browser if you wanted to. There are many browsers, basic browser, mobile. I think let's do basic. There's so many of them. Let's do basic one. I think I have to install them first. Oh yeah, we do. And here we are. In the browser, can I type something? For example, AliExpress. Wow, that is super cool and easy to use. Basically, you have a small PC with you. Look how fast that is, super cool. All right, let's try this one. Now let's see how much 4K 60 is available. Wow. All right, let me just, come on, go down. Oh, wow, such a quality. That is just amazing. Brilliant quality. Okay, let me see how fast can I, that's fast. Really fast, and the quality is mind-blowing. I can do a mouse if I wanted to. For example, let's go half. Quick! In here. Super quick. Going back. All right, come down. Turn it down. It's too long. Okay. Wow, quality colors. All right, I don't want to be copy strike, so maybe one of my videos. The question is it worth to spend twice as much for Xiaomi box compared to the regular TV box from AliExpress? Yes. Those regular ones have tons of storage, ton of RAM, but they don't have so much processing power. And Xiaomi has tons of power, 4K 60, HDMI pass-through. It means Dolby Digital, 5.1, home cinema entertainment. This is much, much better. Twice better? Yes, it is twice better. Is it better than the built-in smart in the latest Samsung or LG TV? No, it is not, but it's nearly there. Super powerful, link in the description, new life for your old TV. See you next video, bye.